Okay, this tutorial is all about changing an artwork or a document that you've done in CorelDRAW, changing it to PDF. Okay, uh, people don't know this, but even though you don't have Adobe Acrobat Professional, you can still make your documents or any artwork in CorelDRAW as a PDF because CorelDRAW 3 has a built-in PDF maker or stuff like that. So I've got a flyer here which is 8.5 by 11, and so I've done this in CorelDRAW. And what I'm gonna do now, I want to give this out to my, say, my clients. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to convert this into a PDF. So first, after saving the file, you go to File, okay, Publish to PDF, okay, Publish to PDF here. When you click on that, you're going to have this dialog box here. Okay. Now, okay, say I'm gonna save it here. Okay, I'll just put here promo with links. And in this PDF style, you can choose which kind of PDF do you want to be. Do you want to make it, okay, you can make it PDF for editing, which we don't want because, you know, we don't them to edit it. So what we're gonna choose here is a PDF for the web because we're going to distribute it through email. So when you click on PDF for the web and click on save, sorry, before going to save, click on settings first. Okay, so when you click on settings here, uh, just leave the default here. What I'm gonna show you here is the security. So in security, say for example you have some price list over there and you want some, you don't want you want it password protected. So what you can do here, you click on open password. Okay, means to say when you open the password, the PDF, the person who's opening it should type in a password. So I'm just gonna put my password here and then confirm password. Okay, and then click OK. But it's really up to you. If you want the PDF not password protected, then just leave this blank and then click OK. Okay, then I'll just click on save here. So it's converting right now, and okay, so our document was converted to PDF already. Now I'm gonna open it to Acrobat. You can do the professional. If you have the professional, then open it. But if you have the free Adobe Acrobat Reader, that's fine. It still works the same. So you go. I'm going to File. I'm gonna open it. Okay, I'm just going to open it here. Okay, that's my PDF. And then if you notice, if you click on details here, it's such a small file. It's 112 kilobytes because we save the PDF for the web. So that's fine. And then click open. Oops. So you notice here, since we put a password in that PDF, now I can, when I open it, I have to put down the password. So I'm just gonna put down my password and just wait, and there you go. So it's a PDF version of my artwork in CorelDRAW. It looks exactly the same as in the CorelDRAW file that I have, and it works fine. So you don't need to buy Adobe Acrobat Professional if you have CorelDRAW X3. Okay, so we've got that first part now. Now I'm going to talk more about changing. What if I'm gonna explain? Let's go back to the artwork. Okay, I'm in CorelDRAW right now, and let's say for example here, okay, I've got the website www.clickscience.ca. Okay, what if I want a PDF which when people mouse over the PDF, it has a link and it goes to the browser or the link or the website. So what I'm gonna do is you click on the, it doesn't need to be text, it can be objects, it can be images. Say for example I want to link this text to the actual website, which is www.clickscience.ca. So what you're gonna do is you right mouse click on it and you go to properties. Okay, so when you click on properties, you're going to have a dialog box here in the right side. Okay, so what I want you to do, while while still selecting the www.clickscience.ca, in here there's an icon for internet. So you click that, and the URL here, okay, the URL should always start as http:// okay. Then I'll put here www.clickscience.ca. Okay, that means to say when the PDF opens and it's going to have a highlight, it doesn't have a highlight, but it's going to have a hotspot. So okay, I'll just refresh this one. And if you notice, every time we put a link on the properties, there's going to be a highlight. Like right now, it has that red crosshatch thing. So that means to say it's a link. Now, for example, here, I'm going to go to this full colored printed canvas. Okay, like I said, it doesn't need to be text. It can be images too. So for example, here, I have this image of the colored printer banners, including the text. What I'm going to do, right mouse click, go to properties. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, right mouse click, you have to select it and properties, and you go back to the link here for the internet, and I'm just going to, okay, so I'm going to put here clickscience.ca/banners.html. Okay, so I go back and notice there's a crosshatch there, but it doesn't mean to say when I change this to PDF it's going to have that crosshatch image, because that's only like an indication that you have a linked file there when you export it as PDF. Okay, so you can do it with other links, with other images or text. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to convert it to PDF. So file, publish to PDF, and we're going to have a PDF. Okay, I'm just going to put here number 2. Okay, promo with links to, and then click on PDF for the web and go to settings. Now here in settings, if I go to, okay, here, if I go to document and it says here include hyperlinks, that should be checked. Me say all the links, hyperlinks in my CorelDRAW properties, the objects, will have that that links to in PDF, and then click OK. Open the file, PDF file. Okay, so I open it, okay, which is actually this one here. Okay, now like I said, since we make this as a link, okay, I'll just zoom in here. I know I put a link here in CorelDRAW. See here, there's nothing going on, but when I go here, see it's a hotspot. Okay, if I click on it, it would says open a web in a browser, and then I'll just click okay, and see it goes to the website that I just put the link in, which is that one. Okay, now let's go down to the bottom part of the image. Remember, we put a hyperlink here, and see there's a hand there, which is a hyperlink, and click OK. Just allow here, and it goes to the home page of clickscience.ca, which is the hyperlink. So that's it for the tutorial. So that's a really good feature in Corel, because you can save money by not buying the professional Acrobat.